So the monsoon is here in pretty much most parts of the country, and even though you may love the rain may not always love you back. So here are some tips and tricks to get you through the season. It includes an anti-hair fall home remedy as well, so make sure you watch it till the end. Tip number 1 is you need to make sure that your hair is dry at all times. So whether you just got out of the shower or you just got wet in the rain, make sure that your hair is completely dry before you tie it up, because wet hair is more prone to breakage than dry hair, as well as it's the breeding ground for lice, and I'm sure you do not want that in your hair, so make sure your hair is dry. Second tip, which is if you're somebody who uses a lot of hairstyling tools and products, you might want to reduce that, especially in the month of monsoon, because you already face such a lot of hair concerns like dandruff and hair fall and frizzy hair and stuff like that. So using all these products is just going to make it worse, and in some cases it can also lead to permanent hair damage. So I suggest if somebody is riding a bicycle. Okay, so I suggest that you stop using or try using it less, the hair products and stuff. It's for your own good. So you know how in monsoons the scalp feels really greasy and itchy, the hair feels sticky, it's all over the place, and there's just so many hair concerns regarding all this. So to tackle all this, make sure that your scalp is clean at all times, like squeaky clean. For that, you may need to shampoo a lot more than you currently do. I suggest you shampoo every alternate days, and also because you are gonna shampoo so much more often, make sure that you use a mild shampoo, because that's gonna be a lot more gentle to your hair, and also shampooing frequently will not really damage your hair. So use a mild shampoo, and the only mild shampoo that I can think of right now is Johnson's Baby Shampoo, but I'm sure there are other great mild shampoos in the market. Use any shampoo that you want, just use a mild one, and also do not forget the conditioner, because it's very important to tame the frizz. So yeah, that's my third tip. The next tip is something that you already know and you've read a million times, you've been told a million times, and that is to drink water. Yes, it's very important. I cannot even begin to stress how important it is to drink lots of water, and especially water actually has so many benefits. It's good for your health, your skin, your hair, especially if you're somebody who's looking to lose weight. Just drinking enough water is a great start to it, so make sure you do not skip the H2O. Finally, let me address the biggest hair concern of during the monsoons, and that is hair fall. It's something that I can personally relate to as well, and clearly during monsoons, rain isn't the only thing that falls. So I have a quick home remedy that I completely swear by. It's very simple, it's very effective. It just requires 2 ingredients, and for that you need an egg yolk and some green tea. Mix both of them together in equal quantities and apply it to your roots and your scalp. Let it sit for half an hour and then wash it off as you normally would with a shampoo, and you'll be good to go. Also make sure you use this pack at least thrice a week for best results. That's it for this video. I hope you find this video helpful, and let me know if you want me to do a skincare version of it. I was thinking of doing so, but I'm not sure if you may like it. So let me know in the comments below. Also do not forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you next week. Bye.